One must be frank to be relevant. Well, to be frank, I like natural beauty, not artificial. Frank and explicit, that is the right line to take when you wish to conceal your own mind and confuse the minds of others. You must study to be frank with the world. Frankness is the child of honesty and courage. When I first read Anne Frank's Diary of a Young Girl, I saw for the first time that a girl could be a writer and that it had something to do with survival and with ethics and fighting against evil. I admired her, though her diary remained terrifying and mysterious to me. She was a character in a real fairy tale. Fairy tales are brutal. Unlike Frank Sinatra, I have no regrets in my life. Zero. Whatever hardships I have faced, or have caused myself, are moments I have to embrace in order to move forward. I have no problem coming to grips with either the highs or lows in my life. Frank de Boer definitely showed in the Netherlands that he's a good coach. During 3 decades, along all the highways of my youth, Frank had always been there for me.